This tutorial shows how to easily apply changeable adjustments to your image and target either the entire image or just an individual layer in Photoshop. Hi, I'm Colin Smith from Photoshop Cafe, and in this tutorial, you'll learn how to limit adjustment to a single layer. Normally, all the layers under an adjustment layer are affected. We'll use clipping masks to affect only the layer directly under the adjustment. This file contains 3 layers. Let's have a look at the different layers using the visibility icon. So we've got headphones on the top, music notes in the middle, and a beautiful landscape on the bottom layer. The client wants the headphones to be magenta rather than blue. So we're going to create a hue saturation adjustment layer. Let's go into the Layers panel and choose Hue Saturation. In the Properties panel, we're going to take the hue and slide it to the right until we get a nice magenta color. But the adjustment layer also changed the color of everything on both layers beneath, the music layers and the landscape layers, because by default, an adjustment layer affects all the layers underneath it. To limit the hue saturation adjustment to just the headphone layer directly beneath it, I'll make sure that the hue saturation adjustment layer is selected. Then we're going to move up to the Properties panel. And we'll click on the clipping mask. Great, only the headphones have changed color. But I also wanted the headphones to be slightly darker and more contrasty so they match the background scene better. So go back to the Layers panel, create a new adjustment. This time we're going to do a brightness contrast adjustment. And let's lower the brightness and increase the contrast. Once again, it's also affecting all the layers underneath. So go to the Properties panel and once again click on the Clipping Mask button. And now these adjustment layers are only affecting the headphones and not the layers underneath them. You've now learned how to control what layers are changed by adjustment layers. This will help you work more efficiently in the future.